What would you do if you had $10,000, $100,000, or even $100 million? Building wealth requires different strategies depending on how much you're working with. Today, we'll break down the best way to grow your money at every stage, whether you're just starting or managing millions. Welcome to Uncovered Today, your go-to source for financial insights and strategies. In this episode, we're comparing the best strategies to manage and grow your wealth from $10,000 to $100 million, providing the reasons and insights that make each approach effective. Starting with $10,000, the focus is on building a solid foundation. At this level, diversification and disciplined saving are key to setting the stage for future growth. Allocating your funds across different asset classes can help mitigate risks and ensure steady progress. Additionally, establishing an emergency fund provides a safety net, allowing you to invest with confidence. Reaching $100,000 marks a significant milestone. Here, the strategies shift towards higher yield opportunities and further diversification to accelerate growth. Investing in real estate can provide passive income and asset appreciation, while index funds offer broad market exposure with lower fees. Additionally, exploring high-yield savings accounts enhances returns on your liquid assets. Breaking the $1 million mark requires strategic planning and leveraging opportunities for exponential growth. At this level, entrepreneurship becomes a powerful tool for wealth expansion. Additionally, engaging in venture capital and angel investing opens doors to high-return opportunities. Strategic real estate development can also play a crucial role in diversifying your investment portfolio further. With $10 million in the bank, the focus shifts to asset protection, tax optimization, and exploring diverse investment avenues to sustain and grow wealth. Establishing robust legal structures like trusts and LLCs safeguards your assets from potential risks. Tax optimization strategies minimize liabilities, ensuring more of your wealth continues to grow. Additionally, global investments open up new markets and opportunities, further diversifying your portfolio. At the $100 million level, wealth management becomes an art. It involves legacy planning, philanthropic endeavors, and maintaining financial stability amidst vast assets. Creating a comprehensive legacy plan ensures your wealth benefits future generations and aligns with your personal values. Engaging in philanthropy not only makes a positive societal impact, but also offers potential tax advantages. Comprehensive wealth management integrates all aspects of your financial life, providing holistic growth and protection. Let's compare the strategies across these wealth levels to understand how management evolves as your assets grow. From diversification at $10,000 to legacy planning at $100 million, each stage requires tailored approaches to maximize growth and minimize risks. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed financial decisions that align with your current and future goals. So, what can you do to embark on your wealth-building journey? Here are the essential takeaways to guide you at every stage, ensuring you apply the right strategies to manage and grow your wealth effectively. Whether you're starting with $10,000 or managing $100 million, these principles can help you achieve financial success. Building and managing wealth is a continuous journey that evolves with each milestone. By understanding and implementing the right strategies at every level, you can achieve financial success and secure your future. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage and grow your money. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share to spread the word. Drop a comment with your thoughts, experiences, or tips. They could really help the community. Let's grow and succeed together.